You see this PC, it has this problem. HP show start recovery. No matter what you do, it will keep restarting. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem. If you look at the problem, it says HP show start detected an unauthorized change to the secure boot keys. The keys were restored automatically and there is no further action required. The repeated occurrence of this problem indicates security problem that should not be ignored. Hence, the PC will not boot. So how do you fix this problem? This problem has been fixed. I'm going to show you in a jiffy how the PC is behaving now. All right, so here is a PC. I'm about to turn it on. The PC is on. You see, it is booting, right? Exactly. That is how it should be. Good. Exactly. As you can see, the problem has been fixed. So, what do you need to do in order to fix the problem? Sadly, the only people that can fix this are technicians because the motherboard needs to be worked on. So what is needed to be done is to reprogram the BIOS chip. And on the motherboard, there is BIOS chip. Secondly, there is EC chip. So both need to be reprogrammed. So what are the steps? Number one, the BIOS firmware would need to be downloaded from HP website. The firmware will be edited and programmed on the BIOS chip and also the EC chip. After it has been programmed, then the problem will be fixed. But that is not all. Because after that has been done, the DMI information will not be transferred. Now, what do I mean by DMI information? There are the serial number, the board number, that is city number, the SKU number, the MAC address, and everything. That is the DMI information, and also the Windows key. All will be removed. So after that has been removed, it will say that the PC is in manufacturing mode. So that is another work will be done on that to input those details manually. So in summary, what is needed to be done is to reprogram the BIOS chip and also the EC chip. After that has been done, with stock BIOS firmware from HP website. So it's going to lose the DMI information. And to fix the DMI information, you need to input those details manually. And you can use BCU method in order to do that. Well, I mentioned these details if a technician will know about this. But as end user, of course, you need to make use of the workstation and also a programmer to program the BIOS chip. But in all, that is what is needed to be done in order to fix the problem. And interestingly, when in fixing it, I copy the DMI information from the backup of the BIOS. Then it brought another problem. Although it's boot, but it will show a problem, endpoint security, blah, blah, blah. So I have to remove the DMI information, then now cause the PC to be in manufacturing mode. Then I inputted those details, the PC details, the MAC address, the SKU number, the serial number, blah, blah, blah. Then that fixes the problem. That fixes the programming. The PC is in manufacturing mode. So that's how you fix it. So in short, you program the BIOS chip and that will fix the problem. All right. So that is it.